Hello everyone, today we're going to clean this fantastic lens, and then that's the Nikkor 1870mm. This is a really nice lens that I like a lot. It's not the best in image quality, but it was the kit lens of the Nikon D70, great camera that I still use today. And then in difference to many kit lenses today, this lens has a metal bayonet, which is really good, not stuff like this, like here, that breaks really easy. This I don't really like. This is a really good kit lens. It has something like 15 years. It can be found everywhere. It's very cheap, and then this is the kind of lens you want to take with cheap camera to places where you don't want to take your fancy camera and your fancy lens, and still you're going to get great pictures. So what is the deal with these lenses then, since they're really good? Okay, so the deal is that they're rather old, some 15 years, and then they tend to get dirty. So for example, here, if I dezoom, you will be able to see all this dust here, which is inside the lens. And even if it doesn't affect image quality a lot, it's rather annoying. So we're going to remove the front element here. Let me solve the lighting issue, and to do so is extremely easy, as I'm going to show you. Usually this lens, it has a sticker here that I already removed, which I have here. I put it on a sticker paper. It's kind of waxed paper, so I can recover it easily just after, when I am done. And then the thing we need to do is to unscrew this element here, and then to do so there's two slots here. They are really small. So let me zoom here, get some focus, and then yes, you have one here. If I put too much light, you won't see it. Okay, so you see the reflection there, and then yeah, you see the reflection here, and then obviously you have the other one on the front here. Took me some time to find them, but then there is nothing else. There is no glue. There is you simply need to unscrew the lens, and then yeah, to do so it's extremely easy. So you get your spanner key, which I have here, and then you get the length go properly, and then you get into the slots. Let me put some light here. Okay, so this is it, and then just for the sake of safety, what I usually do is I put something to protect the glass in case my spanner key slips. So then I have this, then I usually keep the spanner key from the bottom, and then yeah, you just need to force a little bit, and then that's it. So now you just need to unscrew the thing, and then yeah, that's it. So you reach this part of the lens, which is the one which is a bit dirty. So let me show you. Yeah, you have some dust there, and then in the back here, I think this part is the dirtiest, but it's also the less easy to see. So let me do something that I think it will work. Get this black background, and then you see how dirty that lens is. Okay, so this is for the disassembly. Very easy, as you can see. Now we proceed to the cleaning. Hello everyone. I got myself ready for cleaning. Just that means getting the tools. So I have a brush. I have a blower that you have here. Then optical cleaning fluid, isopropyl alcohol, 80 to 90% works too. And then optical cleaning paper. I personally prefer the all brands. I bought some new one lately, and then I didn't find it as good as the old one. So every time I see old stock on the internet, I get it, because this one is really good. Okay, so for the cleaning, that's rather straightforward. So you blow. Again, the brush is just to remove specks of dust that refuse to move by blowing. Then I blow both lenses. Then some fluid, optical cleaning fluid. You don't need a lot, actually, otherwise the paper gets wet, and yeah, the cleaning is not as good as it should. Okay, so then you rub a little bit. Yep, good. You blow again. Then same thing here. Put just a little bit of optical cleaning fluid, not to overwet the paper. Then you rub in a circular pattern from the interior to the exterior. And the nice thing about thinning that and using alcohol is that the excess evaporates really quickly, and then that's it. Oh, let me see one trace. I left. Okay, that's it. Then I put the lens again. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes it's not really easy. Okay, up. Okay, that's it. Then I obviously put my fingers on the front lens. I overwetted the paper. This is the thing you should not do. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, the lens is now very clean, and then yeah, it's good for another 15 years. The only thing left to do, that needs some patience, and is to put this, but then I will do it off the camera, and then I will let you do it off the camera as well. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.